A fiber optic cable system is to be installed along highways connecting 9 cities. The weighted graph shows the highway distances in miles between the cities designated A through I. Use Kruskal's algorithm to determine the layout of the cable system and the smallest length of cable needed. So because we have 9 cities or 9 vertices, that means that we are going to need 8 edges. And our first edge is going to have the lowest value. So if we look, that would be 360. So FG. The next highest value is 450, which is AC. The next highest value is 500, and we have 3 values that are 500. So the order in which you select them does not matter. And again, just remember that we can't create circuits. So I'm going to first select HI. And then EF. And then BE. The next highest value is 610, which is DI. Next would be 620, which is CD. Next is 630, but I don't want to include this because it would create a circuit. Then would be 660, but I don't want to include that edge because that would also create a circuit. So then the next highest value is 830, which is CG, and that does not create a circuit, so we are going to include it. So these are the 8 highways that we're going to include, and now all 9 cities are connected. And the total weight is 4,370 miles.